Hi guys, so I am leaving for Disney World in less than 24 hours. This will be my third time going solo to Disney World, so I feel like I've got it pretty down pat. The first two times that I went, I definitely had a lot of anxiety about going alone, but now it honestly just feels like I'm going home. I have no anxiety over it at all. I'm super excited about it, and I'm just going to show you what I'm packing. Kind of double check that I got everything. I'm also doing a ton of cleaning because I like to come back to a very clean space when I travel. I went last June and I also went this past January, so summer and winter. And it's mid-November, so the temperatures are kind of in between. I'm going to be packing a combination of just like light sweaters and t-shirts. I am going down to actually celebrate my 36th birthday, but also to see all the Christmas decorations. I did order some Disney park ears that were Christmas themed, but when they sent them, they sent the wrong kind. And I got two of the same ears, which I thought was really funny because of all the ears that they could send me, they sent me the exact same ones that I already have. I really wanted to get these gingerbread ears that they made a few years ago, but they don't make them anymore. So I just ended up ordering some off of Amazon. They're not Disney park ones, but I think they're still kind of cute. This will be my Christmas themed ears. And I thought these were really cute too for Hollywood Studios. And of course I have my Animal Kingdom ears and the Winnie the Pooh ears that I made for Epcot. And that was in my last video. So I'm trying to coordinate my ears to my outfits for each day. All right, I made the mistake of laying out my clothes on my bed and cats showed up, so I'll try to work around them. This is what I'm going to wear on my first day. It is a polka dot white and red dress and the Disney ears that I got, and I just have a light cardigan in case it gets cold. So that's what I'm going to wear to do all of the resort hopping that I want to do when I land. I'm going to go check out all the gingerbread displays. The next day I'm actually going to Universal. I want to check out Grinchmas, so I kind of have like a green outfit going on here. Have just a black top and green sweater and green leggings. And I'm gonna wear this really vintage Santa looking sweater to Magic Kingdom. And I'll probably just wear my Christmas ears again with it if I don't find some in the parks that I really like. And I just have some jean shorts and then a t-shirt. I'm gonna layer the whole time in case it gets cool or warm. I can take off the sweater and just have a t-shirt. And then for Hollywood Studios, I don't know why, but I thought that there was orange in these ears. So I'm wearing an orange top, but that's okay. And I just have some black leggings. Can I move you for like 2 seconds? No? We'll come back to this. This is my Animal Kingdom outfit, and basically it's just a Mickey sweater. Oh, and leopard ears, and I think these are like snakeskin leggings or some sort of animal print. And then for Epcot, you guys already saw that. I have my Pooh outfit. I think that I'm going to have to layer when I go to the airport because this sweater is quite bulky and I don't think it's going to fit in my luggage. So I think that I'll throw a top underneath it and just some leggings, and I'll wear that to the airport. And this is why I also need to pack a lint roller. I also had to get these little flamingo Santa hat earrings to wear. They're just super cute, very Florida. And this is my carry-on suitcase, and I should be able to fit everything into it. It is a Kenzie, and I love it. And I also just bring my backpack with me. I'm eventually going to get a Loungefly backpack, but this is a lot bigger and it holds more things. So because I'm just doing carry-on, I want to have as much room as possible. And this is what I keep in my backpack when I'm in the parks. So I have a water bottle, my wallet, poncho in case it rains. I still haven't used that. I managed so far to avoid all the rain in Florida every time I go down. I bring a battery pack to charge my phone, although there are some spots that I'm going to check out this time where you can actually charge your phone in the parks. So I might not have to bring that every time now. My wired headphones, don't judge me. A tripod for filming on rides and stuff. A collapsible umbrella, some band-aids. I did get a little bit of motion sickness last time I was there, so I'm gonna bring some of that with me. Advil in case I get a headache, and then my passport. I also keep a copy of like my documents in my suitcase. So I have a copy of my passport, my license, birth certificate, and then I also print out like my hotel confirmation and my tickets. Just in case something happens to my phone, I want everything that I would have on my phone on paper as backup. And of course I've got all my liquids and makeup and stuff in this, and my magic band, sunglasses. In my suitcase, I'm also going to have like a hairbrush and hair straightener, pajamas and whatnot. And I just have to remember to bring my phone charger and my phone, and I think I'm good to go. I'm also bringing these sneakers with me. They're Adidas Cloud Foam sneakers, and these are so comfortable. It literally feels like you're walking on a cloud. And I have them nice and worn in. I got them in the spring. So I hope they keep making these because I want a million pairs. I'm gonna miss you. Yes, I am. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside. I'm here at the All-Star Music Resort, just checked in. I had the most hectic airport experience I think I've ever had. I had a 3-hour layover in Montreal, and I thought that I was gonna have time to relax and eat some food, but it was so crazy there. I actually purposely booked to go through Montreal instead of Toronto because I thought it was gonna be better. It was not better. And it wasn't like that the last time I went through Montreal, but I think it's because I had an afternoon flight as opposed to a morning flight. And I basically spent my entire time waiting to get through customs and security. It was super bottlenecked. There were people that were running for their flights, were missing their flights. So yeah, I basically just got to my gate and then had to board. So as soon as I got here, I actually checked in with the reception and immediately went to the cafeteria to eat. And it was actually really good. I got an Impossible meatloaf with mashed potato and green beans. And I'm not a vegetarian, but I do like the taste of Impossible meat burgers. So of course, this is a super kitschy themed resort. And I ended up in the rock and roll section, which I love because there is this huge jukebox outside my room. Everything about Disney is so colorful, like even their coffee cups. I just can't stop looking at this. I've been up since 2 o'clock in the morning, so I grabbed a coffee. I was going to go resort hopping to just go look at all the gingerbread displays, but that's going to involve more buses, a boat, a monorail, and I am just all traveled out. So I think I'm going to leave that for another day. And I think I'm going to go over to Disney Springs because I really want to go to the Sprinkles ATM cupcake machine that they have there, which is super silly, but I really want to get a cupcake out of an ATM and just wander around and maybe grab something for a late supper. And on the way, I will just show you guys around the resort. So this is what it looks like when I first walk in. I have my name on the TV and have a great big bed over here with Mickey, Minnie, and Donald, and a coffee station. And there's a little dining table area over here, and that folds down into another bed. Nice clean bathroom. I was looking at some pictures of this place before I came, and this is definitely my favorite section with the jukebox. It's so colorful and cute. We have some guitars over there. Same on the other side. Love all the little musical notes. I've got a vintage Chevy. What is this? Bel Air. And I didn't notice this before when I walked in, but there's a huge speaker here. This is where the piano pool is. Can't really see unless you're probably aerial view. One thing that I'll probably never get used to about walking around Florida is having to look down to avoid all the little lizards on the trail. I hear a speaker. Oh, there it is. Alvin? Alvin! So this is the country section. Is that a violin and a banjo and some big old western boots. Hi, Mickey. You are one lucky squirrel. Disney squirrels. And this is the Broadway section. Giant top hats. And this is definitely something I want to do the next time in New York, is to see Aladdin on Broadway. Frozen, Beauty and the Beast, Mary Poppins, and the jazz section. Disney's All-Star Jazz Band with huge instruments. I just love everything's giant and kitschy and cute. And last but not least, this is the Calypso section. And in there is the guitar-shaped pool. And these are actually preferred rooms because they're closest to the front desk. So you pay a little bit more for these. Everything is so colorful and pristine, so well kept. I missed seeing palm trees. Isn't this just so cute? Here's another view of the pool. And then heading into the main reception area. This is the food court I was at earlier. Lots of little details, musical notes, instruments, rock and roll legends. Michael Jackson, my favorite. And there is the check-in area, all nicely decorated for Christmas. And here we have Maestro Mickey's, which is a little store. I love snow globes so much. So cute. I love the colors that they chose for this year. It's kind of teal blue with the pink. Very cute. Oh gosh. Looking at these lounge flies in comparison to my backpack, like, I don't know. I don't know if it's ever going to be big enough for me. Christmas ornaments. And a tree skirt that I would totally rock as a regular skirt. There's also a pretty big arcade in here too. And I might need to do this before the end of the week. Alright, it's time to head to Disney Springs. Sun is setting. It's all decorated for Christmas. Oh, and there's a tree. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Okay, I have a very one-track mind right now, and that involves cupcakes. All right, here it is. And there's not much of a lineup, so that's good. Okay, here we go. Touch to begin. And here's all the choices. I definitely want the classic sprinkle one. checkout. No. There it is.
Like right about here.
This is what it looks like. Okay, here we go. I just shoved a finger into it trying to get it out, but it's very sprinkly. It's a perfect cupcake. Perfect icing. Very, very moist. Yeah, that was really, really good. Would definitely recommend coming and getting your own little ATM cupcake. It is a very bustling night.
Queremos seguir la idea de Friends. There you are, nice.
I think someone's going up in the hot air balloon. There's a bunch of decorated Christmas trees, all different themes around Disney Springs, and you can do a little trail walk. And this has to be my favorite.